Let me say, the good people of Rivers State, it's very unfortunate, very, very unfortunate that we should be experiencing this kind of thing again. After about 9 years ago, when we had a similar experience. I got information, distressing information, very late yesterday. And I said this morning, I will come and see for myself. The truth about it, in our dear state, everybody who knows me knows I'm a peaceful person.
Yes.
I can never, for any reason, even if I'm aware that there is plot to impeach me for whatever reason, I'm not bothered about it. But I'm worried that a facility like this, that we used taxpayers' money to build, will be destroyed for selfish reason, just to please somebody. It's unfortunate.
Very unfortunate.
I'm calling on the security agencies. From what I've seen, the security agencies even compromised.
Exactly.
They were shooting at me. Directly. At me. This operation was directly. Yes. But it doesn't matter. Somebody will die one day.
Yes. I want to die with you.
I want when people hear Fubara, they say, who is this Fubara? Is that man
our hero?
One time for a struggle? That is what I want to be.
You will not die.
I am not against anybody. I am not planning anything against anybody.
Yes.
But I don't know where all these things are coming from. Let it be put on record. Whoever masterminded this thing is trying to shift. I had some people out here to do whatever. That is purely rubbish. Yes. Purely rubbish. Right. You cannot sit when there is a problem and you say you're doing anything. What are you doing? I'm the chief security officer. I'm the head of the government. Yes. I'm the first person that should come, declare the place, and create an alternative place for assembly to sit. So whatever action for our good people of River State, I know you're prayerful. You've been praying for me.
Against the governor, shot at him, but the governor is David. This injustice must stop. Okay. Yeah, what I can say with please. All the men will not go inside. They are attacking the governor of Rivers State. Governor of Rivers State under attack. Yes, the governor of Rivers State under attack. Nothing must happen to our governor. We still we stand. We still we stand. We still we stand. Nothing must happen to Steve. Nothing must happen to see the governor. Fuck them up. Fuck them up. You kiss him. We start with him. We start with him. We start with him.